How to play with friends in Zenless Zone Zero. Now this process is very easy and quick, just gotta go ahead and log into the game first. Now once you have successfully logged into the game, just heading directly to your profile so that you can still add your friends before you can invite and play with them. Now add your friends first by locating the plus icon at your profile at the top right portion on your current game. And once you have successfully added your friends, you can now then create a private or a public lobby so that you can invite them. Now the invitation symbol is actually the same. It's going to be the plus icon. Tap on that and all your friends will automatically pop out on your screen, and then just choose on a specific friends who you would like to play with. And that's it. That's how you play with friends in Zenless Zone Zero.